Oh my goodness. Today is not my day today. I already did this video and was editing it and I realized there was no sound. And this is really one of those things. So most of these I've already opened. But yeah. Hi. My name is Alex. If you're new here, I'm a cruelty-free ME who loves to play with makeup. Oh my goodness. Um I did a As I said in the beginning of the video, I did a boo-boo. I'm just like, oh my goodness. I don't know. I'm out of sync for some reason today, even though it's storming. And it's excited. Oh my God. So excited. I can't believe I did this. Before we get started, make sure you hit the like button so I know you like this kind of content. If you want to be part of the Crazy Cuties clan, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can be part of it, our crazy little things. And also make sure notification bell so be notified of any new videos I upload. Yeah, I already opened this box. I already know what I have, but I'm still gonna show you guys because this is something I feel like sharing with you guys. And I like to share with you guys, especially with new products and some new brands I want to try, blah blah blah. But yeah, and I got this, and it's Lurella. It's a Latino brand and also a woman-owned brand. So this is awesome. So am excited to share this with you guys, much as I can. I did order an eyeshadow palette that came out in February, and it's called Bad Romance. And this is what it looks like. This is the packaging. It's supposed to be for the Valentine's Day and month for February, and this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. This is very cool tone. My cats are doing my cats, okay? But this is really pretty, and I got this because I feel like this is something out of my comfort zone. And I also like to play with colors, so there's that. But I can say this: there's a lot of multiple products of the same kind. So let's go ahead. This just costs $20 anyway, so it's not like I'm missing out on anything because they do sell mystery boxes. So they gave me the essential eye kit, so you got everything that you need for making a beautiful eyeshadow look. This is really beautiful. I do like their brushes because I know you have seen me using these. I have so many, and it's just like, what brushes? And they came like this, so it's like face brushes, eyeshadow brushes that I got from them. But their brushes are really nice, and I do like them. But whoever wins my giveaway of some kind of giveaway that I like to do periodically, you get one of these. I'm gonna put that all in there because yeah. They also gave me a lot of makeup sponges. They gave me two of these, so if you do win a giveaway and everything, of some kind, you get one of these. And they also gave me smaller ones. So they get three pieces of each. I don't understand the sponges, but I don't use sponges anyway. But they do give you some a thing of soap to wash your brushes, which is awesome. Like I'm just putting them in my giveaway box here. They also gave me some skincare products, and they gave me a natural face natural mask cloth, so the cloth mask. They gave me mango, avocado, honey, and lemon. So, of course, each one has a different beneficial one. Like the mango has nourishing, while the avocado is nourishing, honey's for moisturizing, and the lemon for brightening. So there's that. They gave me multiple liquid lipsticks. I already opened a few of them, but yeah. And there's two I'm not going to keep, and that one is Ari, and Brave. So these two. So you got like a, I'm assuming this is a dark red color, and this one is like a brown color. So I don't know what they look like. I'm not gonna open them to see because I find it really, yeah, no, you know. But I did open them, so I'm gonna show you what I am keeping. Um, they got um, this one is called Suede. This is like a beautiful, like a reddish pinkish color, which is cute. Looks more red on my camera. I don't know why, but in person it's like more like a pinky red. I got Bay. Bay is just more like a mauve color that I already have, but you know what? I didn't know what they look like, so how they look on the thing is totally different. Then we got Royalty. It's another like a mauve color. And Blanche. This is a nice colors. I like these. Like, don't get me wrong. The colors are pretty. I don't know about the front one, so. And I got, and they gave me Imari or Mary. Imari. I think it's Imari. And it's this orangey color, which I do not have a lot of orange in my collection. Lipsticks or anything like that. I'm like going to the browns, to the pinky nudes colors, but I do have reds, and I do have, you know, natural peach colors like browns and all that. But I don't have a lot of orange. So it's nice to have something. When I, like I said at the beginning, I didn't know my audio was off. I was like, oh crap. I was like, oh my gosh. Welcome to my world of of something of mine. It, yeah, if you're new here, it's a little tad crazy. I promise you, it is. And there is never a dull moment with me at all. You can ask my friends, you can ask my family, you can ask my boyfriend, even ask my coworkers at work. There's never a dull moment with me, and it's quite funny. But yeah, but I do have a little surprise for you guys. I do have a giveaway. And the giveaway is a $50 gift card giveaway, which I'm very excited because I'm gonna do different ones. I don't want to always give you, you know, products all the time and so on and so forth. But I'm gonna think, you know what, let's do a US and international giveaway. So anybody who's international and who lives in the USA or whatever part of the world, you will get a gift card. Of any brand you want to try. It could be Amazon, it could be Ulta if you want to do, if you're, you know, or Beauty Bay or any of a $50 gift card. I am, yeah. So how do you enter? So anyone can enter. You must be 18 in order to enter. You must subscribe to my channel and have it public. If you do not win the giveaway, stay subscribed because you never know when I'm going to do a giveaway. If you do unsubscribe, you will miss out fun stuff, of course, but also give you a disqualification of entering any future giveaways. And also, comment your favorite thing about spring. What do you like about it? My favorite thing about spring is seeing the animals come back alive and the plants and the trees to bloom. I really like it. The only thing I don't like about it is the pollen. That's the only thing I don't like about it. Pollen. My allergies are kicking my butt lately. But yeah, so make sure you enter. Like I said, if you're US international, if you're international, you're welcome to enter. You must be 18 and older and must subscribe to my channel and have it public. So yeah. So this is it for today's video. I hope and good luck with the giveaway. And I hope you do like this video. And yeah, hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless. Bye.